Hello lovely people, you are welcome to GH Afric TV. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to the channel and click or hit on the bell notification icon to always get an update from us whenever we upload a new video. It's a calm Ghanaian night and I'm walking through Madina. Not just the market, but the everyday streets where real life continues after the shops close. For tourists, this might not be your first stop, but if you really want to feel Ghana, this is it. I'm here to show you why Ghana is known as one of the friendliest countries on earth, not through tourist brochures, but through a simple nighttime walk. We often think of hospitality as something you find in hotels or organized tours, but in Ghana, especially here in Madina, friendliness lives on the street, in real time from real people. Tonight, we'll walk, talk, observe, and most importantly, feel why this country continues to win hearts worldwide. As I walk through the nice streets of Madina, one thing becomes clear: people are still on the move. The place is alive with energy even after dark. Locals are rushing to catch the last trotros and taxis to their homes, while others are setting up tables and selling late-night snacks, water, and fresh fruits under streetlights. But it's not just food. People are also selling clothes, shoes, and even small gadgets right there on the roadside. You might see a vendor holding up a flashlight while negotiating the price of a power bank, or someone unpacking dresses and jeans straight from a bag to a plastic table. It's like a mini night market spread across the sidewalks. This creates a unique environment. Though it's nighttime, there's no tension in the air, just movement, commerce, and connection. Even though people are focused, heading home or selling, there's still room for warmth. Ghana's friendliness doesn't clock out when the sun goes down. It shines brighter. You'll find people sharing drinks, watching football, even strangers debating politics like old friends, and you're always invited into the conversation. You might even see someone sharing their food with a passerby or helping someone carry groceries. This isn't planned kindness, it's part of the rhythm of the community, the unwritten culture of care. The more you walk, the more you realize this isn't about tourism, it's about values, deeply rooted ones that define how people relate to each other. As a tourist, especially if you're from outside Africa, you may expect to feel like a foreigner, but in Ghana, that feeling quickly fades. People don't treat you like a stranger, they treat you like part of the community. All you need is a guide or someone you know who can walk with you, especially during the night when it's important to know your surroundings. Madina at night may be bustling, but if you're unfamiliar with the layout, it's always better to move with someone who understands the area. That way, you can safely experience the vibe while still feeling protected. It's not that the area is unsafe, it's just smart tourism. And with a local beside you, the warmth of Ghana becomes even more real. You might come here to see monuments, but it's these natural, everyday interactions that you remember long after your trip. These are the moments that stay with you when you return home. What truly captures people's hearts in Ghana isn't just the historic castles or beautiful beaches, it's the way they're treated. A warm greeting turns into a full conversation. That conversation turns into laughter. And before you know it, you've made a connection. You stop feeling like a tourist and start feeling like part of the community. Many travelers will tell you the same thing. Ghana feels like home. Not because of what you see, but because of how you're seen. Whether you're traveling solo or with friends, someone will always check in on you, ask how you're doing, or want to hear your thoughts about their country. Even the way Ghanaians speak to you shows that warmth. When someone calls you my brother or my sister, it instantly breaks any barrier. You're not seen as a visitor, you're embraced like family. Tourists often come expecting to explore something unfamiliar or exotic, but they leave with something much deeper, the experience of genuine kindness, and that's the real reason so many return to Ghana again and again. Thanks for joining me on this night walk through Madina and a little something about anyone who wants to visit Ghana. If this made you curious about Ghana, subscribe for more walks, more real stories, and more reasons why this country is one of the friendliest places on earth. Akwaba, your journey starts here.